Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to create a WordPress gig on Fiverr. First, you need to understand the platform and identify your unique WordPress skills. Research successful gigs to gather inspiration for your own offerings. Prepare high-quality images and a concise video introduction to showcase your expertise. This initial preparation is crucial for attracting potential buyers and setting a strong foundation for your service. It helps you stand out in a competitive marketplace. Next, focus on crafting the core details of your gig. Select a clear and descriptive title that accurately reflects your WordPress service. Choose relevant categories and search tags to ensure buyers can easily find you. Write a compelling gig description, highlighting your unique skills and what you offer. Finally, define your service packages with specific deliverables, setting clear expectations for your clients. This step is vital for attracting the right audience. Now, let's talk about pricing your WordPress gig effectively. Create 3 distinct service packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium, each offering different levels of service. Assign competitive prices that reflect the value and complexity of your work. Clearly specify delivery times, the number of revisions, and any additional services included in each package. Consider offering gig extras to increase your average order value and provide more options for buyers. Strategic pricing is key. Finally, it's time to launch your WordPress gig. Before publishing, meticulously review all gig details for accuracy and completeness. Once live, utilize the Fiverr mobile application to efficiently manage orders and communicate promptly with your buyers. Actively promote your new gig across various social media platforms to expand its reach. Remember to continuously update your gig based on buyer feedback and evolving market trends to maintain its relevance and success. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.